Need a beer.
What are we heading east?
We're heading east, and then we're gonna be heading north.
We just came out of the Rolling Hills area, drinking a Bud Dry.
Bud Dry sponsored this trip.
Yep.
So did Marlboro Lights and other things. Cheeseburger, McDonald's, and Ford brought to you this video today.
Paying for the gas and the beer, the cheeseburgers.
Coming up on Kids Bait Tackle.
You guys are gonna trip on this. Milford Lake fans. We got water on the right-hand side of the road.
Christ, that's high. I've never seen that shit. Oh, it'd be
about 30 feet above conservation level. Broke the old record of 1973. 25 feet.
Look at that. That's a nice prairie land there. Look at that over there.
Jet ski fucking territory.
Fucking hey, man. Beautiful.
Right over there is Thunderbird Marina. Spillway.
This is runoff spill-off area where the water will be approaching.
They've got a 24-hour watch on this area because the lake's rising fast. We'll stop here. Action video brings you the best. The lake floods over, it's just going to start running out of here. Nothing can stop it.
Okay.
Okay?
That's good.
The 4th of July when that... Look at the ground.
Fuck yeah.
It started raining that night, like a motherfucker.
Look how high that motherfucker is.
That damn sweating. That's just from the...
Worried. Breathing hard. Look at that shit. It's all fucked up. Everybody's
New
out
picnic
fishing.
area. They got volleyball. They got horseshoe pits out here now. A couple new shelters. I had to drive all the way back. Damn. All right. It's Grandpa fishing.
Grandpa fishing.
Ask him if he's caught any yet. Damn, he just threw one out.
Comes over there.
Yep, got a lot of dookies floating around in the lake.
At least the damn thing's cleaned out for once.
Hopefully they cleaned them all out, because there's going to be a lot of fucking nasty shit.
Yeah, that shit'll be...
That's our drinking water, man.
Milford. Or the river.
Well, that's what comes out.
Yeah, it's Thunderbird Marina over there.
Action Video News brings it to you live.
The Floodumentary special. Yeah, the old barn might get the... No, it'll probably survive. Fishing for food, they need it.
It's good fishing out here at Milford Lake, Kansas. Another brother. Yeah, they say the carp's biting good. I don't know how them brothers like that carp. Woo! Haha! There's a flagpole. Normally that's a concrete slab where they have a band play. Pointing the camera the wrong way, buddy.
I got it.
Flagpole.
I know, I already got it.
Oh, you got to show them again.
There you go, over there. There you go.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
No, don't stop. I'll get it.
I'll go slow. Get a picture of the dam.
Okay, yeah, but do the speed limit, man. I get it all. I want no one fucking with us. There ain't nothing coming out of that son of a bitch. It's higher than fuck out there, sons.
Ain't nobody out the lake either. No boats.
River pond looks pretty big.
These new relief wells are doing the job they were supposed to do.
Right.
We're gonna have a major catastrophe.
We're gonna have a major catastrophe. We're fucked up. Hey, how you doing?
Can't find the doctor. Damn, moron. Take the cap off this time. What?
Milford State Park.
Kansas Department of Wildlife and Parks. Action video brings it to you live. Out of my truck.
And I'm with them too.
See if the booth lady's working.
Nope.
Nope. It's okay, we got our sticker.
We're safe. We're coming up to Big K Marina.
We got video, Ed?
Yeah, we got video. We're live.
We're live? Okay, folks, coming on to Milford State Park. What used to be known as, what, BK Marina?
Or B&K Marina, new ownership.
Now it's B&K, it used to be BK.
Well, there's not much of a marina left.
Jeez. Normally, folks, you could drive down another fucking 30 yards and turn your truck around. Over here where this wooden fence is, can you see that, folks?
Yeah, I see that.
There used to be that trailer right over here. Get the video. That trailer right over there used to be inside that wooden fence. And there's them fuckers doing, man. Come on, wait. Jeez. Manhattan, folks.
Oh, it's got a pool on it, man. Check that out.
Yeah, that used to be parked over there in the... Okay, we're going in the water, folks.
We're going in the
Got
water.
your fucking wetsuit on. Eric? You can't even see the bathroom. It's down there, those evergreens.
Yeah, I know where that's, yeah.
You can see a little piece of wood there.
That's a trip.
That's fine. Light. I see green light. What's that mean?
Doesn't mean nothing, man.
It comes on. It says record. All right,
Hey,
we got power.
Creek.
Sorry, folks, we had technical difficulties there.
Tuttle Creek.
Tuttle Creek. Yes. Let's hear it for the Wildcats. Woo. Getting fucked up today. Let's zoom in on the dam. There's the main outlet. Well, that's where the water comes in and flows out. Tube across the road there. There's Eddie, chain smoker. Fucking Elton John motherfucker. Them glasses. Okay, folks. Yeah, we got traffic today. Try to walk nice and steady for you. Uh-oh, we got somebody coming in. Boom. Zoom. Oh, who we got here? Looks like an old, I don't know. Ew, look at it. Woo! Let's get out of the zoom. Let's get away from them. There we go. Ooh, she looks. Yeah, they're leaving now. Action video. Bringing it to you first. What's up, everybody? What's up?
What is?
What's up? Whoa, we got earthquake going. I'm just fucking with you guys. Yep, Tuttle puddle.
We can notice the difference, 52 and 62, the flood of 52, and they built that dam. Now we have the flood of 93. Whether you're late.
Shot of the spillway.
Hey, do the speed limit. Flood of 93. turn here.
No, we're gonna pull over. Watch out, folks. Action video coming.
What's this car?
This is better than Milford, I guess. Let's go down there. They got lights. Sorry folks, a little shaky. See if we can change the zoom up. There we go. Yeah. Gates are closed, it's just seeping out of them. Slowly but surely. Tuttle Creek, Manhattan, Kansas. This shit ain't happening since the 70s. Actually see water flowing through these floodgates. Down here we got usually guys ride motorcycles and shit. ATVs. Nice place to ride. Right now it's just, ooh, imagine going through that turn on a four-wheeler, just nailing it. Be jamming. Picture it, yeah. Zooming through there. Let's zoom in on it, folks. Burning through there about 34 mile an hour. Just cutting it and nailing it. Awesome. Yep, all that water coming, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's a cement slab all the way across. It's water covered. Oh, we got some people pulling up. Who is it? Let's see who it is. Ooh. It's the cameraman getting in on everybody. Slowing down, going through the channels. Berming up right there, a little dam, seeping through. Floodgates. The barge broke. Sweeping right through there. Just ended up to a little stream going down. Isn't that amazing?
Ready? Ready. You guys gotta get out.
Who? Where's he going? It's time to take a leak. Look at Eddie. He's ready to go. Yes, folks. Action video brings it to you live. Action video. You gonna make it?
Yeah.
Woo! Let's see if he can make it, folks. Jeep Wrangler. Laredo. Woo! Cool. Burn them off! 4-cylinder.